Alright, this is a video of my Arduino buttons. So I have 5 buttons here. Actually going to go a little out of order just because of the brightness variance between the green and the red. But just to show you, so the second button actually increases the brightness of the green LED by 1 increment. The fourth button decreases the green back down to 0, so it goes dim again. If I press that again, the fourth button, it decreases the green by 1, making it its brightest at 255, which you can see there, which I'm going to increase it by 1 and actually getting it back to the value of 1, putting it back to 0. So the buttons do work, it's great. Red works a little differently, so red was button 1, so I can increment it by 1, it just turns on barely there, just 1% of power. Hit the third button here, it decrements it, actually putting it at its maximum power, 255. If I re-increment that again, it goes back down to the lowest power, but it actually never turns off, but it does work. The last button, button number 5, actually does the blue LED. Since I only have 5 buttons, I'm just going to increment it. So it actually is blue at its lowest. I can keep my finger on it, and you can see it slowly goes up at 50 milliseconds per every time it loops, until it maximizes at 255, and then it should restart, which it just did. So those are my Arduino buttons. Pretty cool.